In this video, I will tell you how to show COD based on product. As you can see, I have already made this rule for this particular product. COD is available. If I select any other product, then COD will not be available. Select any other product and add it to the cart and add the address. So here we can see COD is not available for any other product. So in this video, I will tell you how to set this up. So for this, I have used advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install this app from the Shopify app store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on advanced cash on delivery app. Then you need to click on limit COD based on product configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery, you need to toggle on this button and you need to select your delivery method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I am toggling off this button. And then change the status to enabled, and from match type drop down you need to select allow COD only for this product, and you need to select the product and click on add and save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Add this product to your cart and proceed with the checkout. You can see cash on delivery is available for this product. Now we will check for any another product. So here we can see only prepaid options are available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to show COD based on product. If you like this video, then you like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.